that's the lie we're put in a destiny head. She's a look good girl. No, Desmond is not a look good girl. Number one, Desmond ugly naturally. That's one of the gifts where me and him get. It was ugly naturally.
It's the second animal aims back with a life for Shebada. Mr. Guys, one pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye y'all.
Half a corned beef, half a tin. Move your dirty blood finger. You want to come down here and get and find one small tin and share for 12 away. Come eat me, yeah. Who can get corned beef, get the scent. The knife was in it. You come and talk about half a corned beef like you step up in a life yet. And you know your elevation don't come with no staircase. So I don't know if you have a float. You're brighty. You come and talk about, you lucky me never name it 10 times. I should name it in a tens. Could I out order? I don't want to provoke me because I don't provoke on appearance, so. Every evening I turn on my life and somehow I make it on a pint of duty for come on my life and provoke me. I know Rosalina and Annie. Bully beef with white rice. Hey, big hole, you plan to give me gas. You hear me a ball about the gas and you come and introduce me to white rice. My name that right now, my day fall, my ears cock. Nesta purple wagwan good wall. For true, I went look for some curry chicken Sunday and I steam some rice with it most Tuesday because you know me look for food for last. I stretch my food like Cersei. Yeah, I come like foreign people. Share out and put in a fridge. I wonder if I'm a foreign people. Can we share out and put in a fridge, you know? Because foreign people now ram for them hot up in and then we want to be like them and our stomach can't take overnight because we never born with microwave for our chest. We never born the only thing hot pan we have some of our breath. Yeah man, some of our breath hot. We have to suck ice before we kiss. You have to tone it down. Yeah. You can cook. Come here. Come and say if you ever cook the boy him name it, you know, out of pity, but him know a bowl of slush in him plate. Move from here, so. I would even give one dog head for boiled soup. You come and ask if I can cook. After me no more cranny than your apron. Eh? Me no more cranny than your apron. You can even wash rice. And that's the next thing. Remember say a retail rice you buy so gravel in your own. Gravel in your rice. The rice where you have can even throw up and bright because it ever bust them head. And you gotta ask if me can cook. Ashley, why not go wash out the evidence out of your panty crotches? You're not bleed and brown stain in your dry scratches. Why not go soak it and turn up the front to the sun? Why not go turn up the front to the sun? Because if you not do that, you know, you will infect your clit. Yeah. If it's true, you come and ask if me can cook. If me ever give baby father a cup of tea, me take him away. Just a cup of tea, the bush could a while. Just a cup of tea. Me take away your baby father. Remember you throw salt in a water feed while quick for green tea. Me don't know how you work out that. You try make a sweet and sour. Lionel! One big Lionel! Me don't know what them every click girl, yeah. So yeah, come and ask me them question. How trouble Bigfoot Ashley? Yeah? Bigfoot Ashley.
I was dying, thank you.
If I go play basketball and come out of the kitchen, cause your vegetable them steam with worm. Remember say 40 leg in your vegetable and caterpillar. Remember your veg them steam with worm. Ashley say you can't cook. Ashley, if you give me a clip, I cook it. How you give me a clip, I cook it. As tough as it be, I tenderize your clip. You talk about I can't cook. Ashley, move from here so. Because remember, cook shop govern your stomach. Remember, grease step on your chest. Your little chest coming like a Chinese restaurant. Yeah, always remember that. Black eye lip on your stomach, Ashley. And you want to argue with me, your fried dumpling them saggy. Your fried dumpling saggy, your fritters them a jerry curl, them a drip with grease. And we asked to my girlfriend, Ashley, and me you want to argue with? And me you want to argue with my baby? Your food favor puke. Cassandra read me, I go block you. Me I go block you, Cassandra. Cassandra read me, I go block you. Yeah. Yes, Black Eyed Ashley, a mechanic. Like them, she is a mechanic. Ashley have to eat with overall. Ashley have to eat with overall. Ashley napkin a bonnet. Ashley napkin a bonnet. Yeah. Remember, I mean you want to argue with dirty girl. We just a waste time with you because I don't want Rosalie cuss back Jaden. Then Rosalie can't know back her face. Because it's not her ear she can't know. Rosalie can't know back her ear. I'm not telling you like mighty man of God. Mighty man of God. When I say Rosalie can't know her ear and know say alien real. UFO is happening. Things that arrive from the ocean. Ursula. Ursula. Me say, when I see the kid with them go back, me say, mercy. Rosalie come for take us home. I wonder if she know Zach. Me no know, you know, me just say, me say the Kano going back do it. The Kano going back did it for me. Just for me. Me say and Rosalie push up her face. Anybody who do Rosalie here go back, so me not tell no lie. No, I don't like the child, you know, I leave the child alone. The things them on the internet, boy, I'm glad them a warm up to the things them to come anyways. Nobody can say them never see them something yet. For sure, I must tell Jesus, Sister Winnie. Me say when me see it, me say Rosalie, Omg Kanikalan. Me say Rosalie, no. If I were there, I would be running in slow motion. Who is Island Girl? Island Girl, who is this? Then how me you gonna understand if you come from Trinidadian? You come from Trinidadian? As me say that, I remember Destiny. Rosalie, me I come there. Jesus have mercy, I see a video with Destiny. I never know Jamaica was a language. I never know Jamaica was a language. That's discriminate. And with Destiny I try speaks. Jesus have mercy, what wrong with the transvestites them? Before Destiny said Louis can buy a school book, Destiny have the wig on him head. Before Destiny sell the prom dress and go to school sitting in one bench, Destiny can even speak local and international. 2 languages Destiny. 2 languages, they might beat up Destiny in a local and international. Destiny can't speak, spoke, spark. And Destiny brave to come to the forefront and attack. Me say me shame, I watch the video. I speak Jamaica. I speak Jamaica. No, Andrew Holness is a wicked. Andrew is a wicked and I will never vote for you. All my life I've been a fool who said I could do it all alone. How many good friends have I already lost? How many dark nights have I known, walking down that long road? There was nothing I could find. All these years of darkness could make a person blind, but now I can see I am changing. Trying every way I can. No man, no man, no. You know, say somebody just say, and somebody just say I'm writing a musical in a boy. Oh Lord, help me. Yeah, we did reach into the argument again. Where was I in the argument? I am changing, trying every way I can. Anjo, I forgot back, you know. Anjo, yeah, she be you could have called me. Can't the brothers, your pants them big and ugly and outdated. Remember Pac and Russell? Your pants them ugly, then almost for call you. Your pants them shame line. Your pants them for hang up inside. Them for hang up inside all when them a drip. You drop into the water. Yeah, yet about home in a call you Candy Brothers. When me a stay for mom call you, yeah, well, me a good friend. Me 8 girl dress so. Remember you are tush in a boat. Remember you are tush, your pants can even run in night. Trying to pick up badness, cause police are gonna catch you at first go. Oh, police are gonna catch you on your mark. Remember you never ever get set cause your pants them heavy. Your pants them have a kid and play, boys in the woods. Yeah, you remind me of MC without the hammer. And you come at a with my code card. And Candy Brothers now run them serious shoot with me. And go attire yourself properly. Move your dirty blood finger outside and breath. Now get my Pringle. Oh, many people call me Pringle. But nevertheless, now which from Andrew, you wicked Tory. Out of all of my life, Andrew Prime Minister Oldness, you couldn't tell me say Jamaica was a language. And you have me a walk a talk how Jamaica is an island. And you have me a walk how Jamaica is a country. You have me a walk a talk say Jamaica is a city. You have me a walk a talk say Jamaica is a state. You have me a walk a talk say Jamaica is a university. When Jamaica is really a language, destiny prove it to me internationally. Remember you seeing both run for Olympic and worldwide that and this in the Europe. So come on, Andrew. Why you as a prime minister sit down and lead your people them astray when you know definitely hands down? Because if somebody in a jacket suit in the cabinet where in a Miss Blinger house did ever tell me say Jamaica was a language, I would have tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere I go, tell it on the mountain. Me not sing long. Me not sing long because I don't want to get carried away. You never tell me. You who them people here? One of the people say people pan this. A white woman pan this. No, me can't deal with nobody white, you know. Can't deal with nobody white. Me can't bother look up in a Annie belly. Can't bother up in a Annie belly, you know. Remember, when I can't come up on the cruise. Yeah. So I never know me say destiny. Destiny, stop it. You want to go school, SCHOOP. School. You want to go to school, Didi. You need something under that wig. You need something under the wig. The wig not wigging. Yeah. You see how uneducated we are? You have on your makeup, right? And you still have to find the best filter. You know your belly big and you make the cameraman Photoshop it down. That's not you. Me look good though. I cannot tell no lie. You asking me in reality, asking me something in fantasy. I can't answer you because of reality me there. Huh? I don't understand. Favorite, make the whole of them shame. When you see the people that will tell you a lie, when you see favorite when you have no filter, and you see the whole of them, you never know say there's so much mapping on some of them face. And when them done, them send a tree in my face. What? Forest in my face. Think about good as. Forest in my face. When you see them pan favorite, you see the deception. Everybody deceive you. The amount of crab mark when some of them face, you know them a fight from Creech. From Creech days, them a fight. You know them a fight from daycare days. Them stay real bad and look real owl. Them look old, and them look owl. And that's the lie when you put in a destiny head. She's a look good girl. No, Desmond is not a look good girl. Number one, Desmond ugly naturally. That's one of the gifts where me and him get. It was ugly naturally. All when we smile, you know some people have some cute smile, you know some people that come and you know you catch them smile and say, why? You know? We don't have that. We don't have that. We bless differently. We bless to make people laugh. When we're serious, people are roll up on the ground. They don't take us serious. Yeah. We don't have them there. Remember Destiny smile lean like yellow man. So me and you not bless them with the DD. You get what me I say? So don't make nobody trick you. You're ugly as a man and you're ugly as a girl. Fear is fear. Them back you up, man, and your family. Didi remember me one song I said, pretty looks done. And you don't get none. I don't know how I feel so nostalgic. But is the dress fitting? No, the fit not fitting in. It's just not fitting in. No, for sure. Me never tell it no lie. They didn't even know say people make clothes wear them. And we not talk about the little bubbles here. Oh God, man. I don't know Didi not live half of the ground. Didi flight not have no runway. I don't know Didi not live half of the ground. You know, girl put her heels, them lift. Me say Didi don't lift. I don't know. A bubbles. Her heels look like a herring back. Little, they just look. Ivan, you show her ear for your birthday and her ear night. I like her ear. I'm not gonna lie. I like her. I don't like Ivan, you know, don't get it twisted in a Didi. I don't like Ivan. Cause you know when all is said and done, you are my sister. It's just that you come from the sea, me have sister we are all donkey. Yeah, for sure. Come remember say me come from the sea, you know. Me some merms. Some have a sister we are donkey, Didi. You understand me? Yeah, but I'm not going to tell you no lie, Didi. That you never cut it. You never cut it. You never cut it a while ago. I'm not going to lie you. You never cut it. You should put on one shorts and one sneakers and one cap and one ganzi and beat it for your birthday. Are you that? And make somebody flower you and you're not ready for bathing, so you don't have to put on a birthday clothes. You idiot, you don't know for cheap birthday dressing. Come like you don't know for cheap birthday dressing. Make them flower you from your wake up. And you wear that flour so till all the sun cook it for you. Whether the sun want boil it or fry it, make it stay. Yeah. Just make sure so you stink around. So if somebody buy you one special, throw it on the flour. Throw it on the floor so when time people come near them say birthday and you stink around. No man, you smell around. So for morning me I drink them time that you're sober. You don't know for cheap birthday dressing. Come here. You said you're baptizing a man, miss. You don't even say cheated, you put egg on it. Somebody say add franks at breakfast. At breakfast. Lord, my love. Our nurse over there. When they reach home yet, when they still in the traffic. When they reach in the yard yet. One if I'm still in the traffic. I say every time I close my eye, I say Rosalie, you know them go back. No man. No. So much things can come out power one time though, you know. I seen this, you know. We have Dee for her birthday. We have Pretty that we just realized that she did dead and then decomposed. Now we have Rosalie with the cane will go back. What more they want from us? What more do they want from us? Eh? What them want from we? Me say Rosalie must get a hairstyle free because she could not even pay 15 bills for it. I must free she get it because nobody could have chucked my face so. Nobody that coming like them spans off Rosalie face. I don't like it, man. I don't like it. I say the whole of the Kano go back. I think say them call me again for the over back the Little Mermaid. Ursula. No man, I say you can't know say everything we she ever eat going at the head. Mr. Rosalie, all you post Jaden, I don't think Jaden should have answered you know that hairstyle. I say no man. Nobody ever hear me call Audrey Alien Dread yet. See the return there. Mr. Rosalie favor Alien Dread. No, the whole of face gone back, you know, and it not even tight because the chin not even catch up. So me say them really the cane was flat because it's supposed to catch up the chin. I run down that file paper today so till I weak. No, don't laugh, it's true. I run it down today every time I run it down the breeze, carry go up the road. And carry it back down. No, it's true. And then she busy of course my friend Jaden. I say, oh me know say Jaden a batty man. Rosalie, oh me first thing I know say Jaden a batty man. Then you think me would have look on Jaden if Jaden did love boys. After Jaden could look on me and say, yo, she be mega want you murder. You murder. You murder Rosalie, but me no mind you use me still as batty auntie. Me no mind that. Me no mind that still, you know. But no. Then Jaden could have really looked for me. No, you must be mad. You want me puke? No, man. You want me puke? You must be want me puke. Me just a walk. Me never me telling I'm asleep. You mad? Rosalie, my stomach is strong like your own, you know. You know, see you do with Jake and Jake have a whole heap of things in a film face. And you have to walk and icky them there. You have to put icky on them there. You want Jake stroke you? You want him drape you by your chin? Huh? You want him drape you by your chin? Me know you. Then you think Jake's could have really grind me, you know, Rosalie? And Jake's have so much Mount Everest in them face. You murder me, no you. I could look on Jaden. I like Jaden as a brethren. Tell me the truth. The backers would have sick my stomach all with my nasty eats. Every joke is a puke. Every joke is a puke. Yeah. Every stab is a vomit. You think I joke? Remember my stomach is strong like food no one, you know? Me can't put icky pan bump. Me don't know how to do them skill. I only have the body skill. Me can't put icky pan bump. Me don't know how to suck bump. I don't know how to suck bump. For sure, Rosalie, remember you suck bump, you know? Remember Jake's a 40 Libertine big bump. And then a bump we can't squeeze. Them bum they earn them place in them face. Them bum they can't get migration.
doing? Alright.
Yeah. Me don't know if I put icky sis. Me don't know if I put icky sis, my love. No, for sure. So when you say me, like, no, Rosa, you're mad. You're mad. My stomach not strong like phone one. Your stomach, Fabi's stomach, and Queen's stomach. I want Ashana Chin stomach. I want strong rotted stomach. Phone stomach make what a bulletproof. Not even bullet can kill that shit. Yeah. Phone stomach strong, you know. When me see the man, they were gonna taking them a salute, you know. Cause I'm a real Pearl Harbor. Me? On a chest plate, make out a prison grill. Once that shut, no open, you know. Oh. I una alone, me say showcase the artist that crying in his on the internet. Una alone. I put for true. Honest, I them alone, me say showcase the artist that crying in his on the internet. I kid una not. I would never tell a lie. None of them not supposed to walk a lie. I'm married to good man. Where? After Gully Bop, I'm married to good man. Me now ask you. After Gully Bop, I'm married to good man. Me now go get a married a bad name. Where? Where? Yeah, but come here now. I remember the whole house did have Mona Lisa as she not have no sense. I'm married supposed to take Gully Bop. She about supposed to take Gully Bop. But me could talk about when Jaden strip. And Fabi see Marlene and the light I come from bathroom. You know, all my nature start kick up my blow. My nature that kick me, all in my eye, my nature that kick me. Me now ask if you see Jaden I come from our bathroom and Jaden I walk sideways and I think he's a rizzler. Eh? Me think he's a rizzler, somebody have up sideways wait for me one spliff. You must be mad. You must be mad. Me not think do we conscious about Omg Shebada. You know? Me say when I say do we know one pink shirt now one music video when him and Queenie just a get at. Me love and do we go sinking at the cheers. So me say no sir. I say, Misha Lee, this can't real come here. We have to run back the video 2,000 times. I say, when Dewey sink, all the shirt get bigger than him. All the shirt get bigger than him. You know,